For many families, daily survival comes first, but opportunity feels out of reach. Joy Nostalgia Foundation empowers communities to take control of their future through cooperatives, turning vulnerable beneficiaries into active owners. We start by understanding the community and identifying leaders ready to drive change.
Sa Joy Nostalgia Foundation, malaking bagay talaga at malaking pasasalamat talaga namin na tinuruan nila kami magtatag ng isang grupo ng business na para makakatulong din sa pamilya namin.